Okay, we got the engine sitting roughly where we want it there.
Oh, f this is bullshit. F that.
What's your problem?
Dude, I'm trying to fix my child's bike and I need a flywheel puller.
Okay.
And the only one I can find for a Sherco is in Australia, $74.
$74 dues.
Yeah.
There's going to be shipping on top of that.
Yeah.
Plus waiting times,
couple
probably 2
weeks.
weeks.
Yeah, man.
Crazy. Well, can't be that hard. Surely we can build it.
I think we can.
Yeah, let's give her a go. Oh no, I ran out of gas. Story of my life. All right, there you have it. So we just made this flywheel puller for Nigel's Sherco trials bike. I don't remember what size that is, 270 or something like that.
290.
290, oh, it's a big girl.
It's an old one.
Yeah, so we did that on the lathe. Couldn't possibly make something like this without a lathe. We were able to cut threads on it, which is the first time we've ever actually cut threads on it. Full disclosure, I am not a machinist. I have no idea what I'm doing half the time. I bought this thing 5 years ago, and it's literally just figure it out more or less. Watch some YouTube videos and see what we can do more or less. But I absolutely love this tool. This is my favorite thing in the shop. It's expensive. I paid about $5,000 with a couple of accessories back in 2020. But there is so many different options on the market. You can buy a much smaller one. You can buy bigger ones. If you could buy a secondhand one, especially an old secondhand one that's high quality rather than something that's Chinese, which I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is probably Chinese. But yeah, absolutely love it. There's almost nothing you can't do with it, more or less, other than obviously like the flats that we put in this. We did that with the little milling machine that I bought, which is another thing we'll do on a tool review Tuesday, one day soon. I give this thing a 10 out of 10. Can't beat it.
Yeah, if you can buy a lathe and you're thinking about buying a lathe, just buy a lathe.
Yeah.
They're just awesome to have in the shop.
Yeah.
It's amazing how quick you can make stuff and how handy it is.
Yeah. I mean, it's daunting at first when you're trying to do some new tasks and stuff, but all the tooling is super cheap. You break something, whatever, go buy another piece, move on, sort of thing. So, you know, just get in there and have a go, really, is basically all I can say. So, yeah, 100% recommend it. That's your Tool Review Tuesday. I'm your biggest tool. Stay tuned for the next episode.
Glad I didn't have to pay $74 dues for that.